June 10th, about 1:30. Unboxing package from Ridge. One, two, three. So this is the the wallet, matte black titanium with the cash strap, and I also got the money clip, because you could get one or the other or both. I got both, and then I ordered the carbon fiber AirTag money clip also. I like the carbon fiber ones, so that the white of the Apple AirTag is not going to be shown. It'll be all black. Let's see. This came from Kentucky. Just got it today. Got a sticker here. Some getting started instructions. Oh, it's very small. Very small. Here's the cash strap. Yeah, very small. I'm surprised how small it is. I thought it would be a little bit bigger than this, but this is small. Comes with a screwdriver and some extra screws. This is the clip. Let's see the clip. Okay, here's the clip. You have to, I think, yeah, it just slips on. Just have to install it. And last but not least, the carbon fiber AirTag money clip. I like this one better. That's why I got this. Let me just actually. See how this one looks. Oh yeah, this one's way better. Comes with some screws, a screwdriver, and a strap. Comes with a strap and carbon AirTag. Nice. Yeah, I'll be using this one. And there you go. The 3 items I got. This is a Father's Day present for my kids. 2025. Thank you.